My
My
name
name
is Alvi.
is Alvi.
My
My
name
name
is Alvi.
is Alvi.
My
My
name
name
is Alvi. I live
I live
in Dhaka.
in Dhaka.
LIV live.
LIV
IN in
IN
DHK Dhaka.
DHK.
But
But
my family
my family
is
is
from
from
Silmari
Silmari
in Kurigram.
Kurigram.
Beauty but
Beauty.
my
My
family.
family.
FF
FA.
me
MI.
family
Family.
LOLE.
LOLE.
Family
Family
is from
is from
Silmari.
Silmari.
CHIL Sil.
CHIL.
MARI Mari.
MARI Mari.
Silmari
Silmari.
in
In
Kurigram.
Kurigram.
KURI Kuri.
KURI.
GRAM Gram.
GRAM Gram.
Kurigram.
Kurigram.
My grandmother
My grandmother
GRAND grand.
GRAND grand.
MATHER mother.
MATHER mother.
Grandmother
Grandmother
GRAND grand.
GRAND grand.
MOTHER mother.
MOTHER
Mother. Grandmother.
grandmother.
My grandmother
My
and
and
many
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 of my relatives
of my relatives
still
still
live there.
live there.
My
My
RERE
RERE
LLA relay TIB tip
TIB
relative S relatives still STILL still
STILL
live
live
there.
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 এই লাইনটা আমি আবার বলি মাই গ্র্যান্ডমাদার
My grandmother
and
and
many of my
many of my
relatives still live there. Last zone
Last zone.
LAST last
LAST last.
JUN zone
GUN zone.
JUN zone
JUN zone.
last zone.
Last zone.
I went
I went
to visit my
visit my
grandmother.
grandmother.
WENT went
WENT
to BISIT visit
BISIT visit.
BISIT visit
BISIT
my grandmother.
grandmother.
My uncle
My uncle
and cousin
cousin.
COUSIN cousin SIN cousins cousins
cousin
in Silmari.
in Silmari.
Their house
Their house.
THEIR there
THEIR there.
THEIR there
THEIR there.
THEIR there
THEIR
are there. House
House
is near
house is near
the
the
Jamuna river.
Jamuna river.
Zo MUMU Jomu Anena Jamuna Jamuna river. My uncle
My uncle
is a
is a
fisherman.
fisherman.
FISHER fisher.
FISHER fisher.
FISHER fisher.
FISHER fisher.
Man
Man
fisherman
fisherman.
My grandfather
My grandfather
was
was
a
a
fisherman.
fisherman.
FISHER fisher.
FISHER
Man fisherman. But he died about
but he died
about
about
10 years
10 years
ago.
ago.
year
year
এস থাকলে হবে ইয়ার্স AGO এগো
ago.
I did not I didn't হবে এখানে কি হবে didn't এখানে didn't হবে কি হবে didn't হবে I didn't know
I didn't know
him
him.
KNOW no KNOW no HIM him I didn't know him DID did and apostrophe T এটারে বলে apostrophe এটারে apostrophe কমা কি বলে apostrophe বা didn't হ্যাঁ ওকে এরপর when my sister,
sister,
when my sister
when my sister
and
and
I visited
I visited
Silmari
Silmari
in
in
June.
June,
এলেনটা আবার বলি when
when
WHEN when
WHEN when
my
my
sister
sister
and I visited.
I visited
ভিজিট তো আমরা বানান পড়ছি ইডি থাকলে ওটা হবে I visited Silmari
Silmari
in June.
in June.
We
We
had
had
so
so
much.
much.
HAD had
HAD had
SO so
so
WE we had so much.
we had so much.
MUCH much
MUCH much
much fun.
fun.
FUN fun
FUN fun.
FUN fun.
FUN fun.
Our grandmother
Our grandmother
told
us
us stories.
stories.
TOLD told
TOLD told
TOLD told
TOLD told
US us
US
stories.
stories.
STO STO STO
STO
RIS
RIS
RIS stories
stories
about our family.
our family
Our family
our family.
FFA
FFM
MIME LYLE কি হয়েছে
our
family our family and
and
about
about
the history
the history
the history of Bangladesh.
of Bangladesh.
HIS his
HIS his
TORY Tory
TROI Tory.
হয় নাই তো HIS his
HIS his
TO to
TO
histo
history
ROIRE
RYD
history
history
of Bangladesh.
of Bangladesh.
BNGLA Bangla
BANGLA Bangla
DSH Desh
DSH Desh
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
My uncle
My uncle
caught
caught
a lot of fish.
a lot of fish.
My
My
uncle
uncle
caught
caught
CAU
CAU
GST caught
GST
আবার বলো CAU GST caught
COU
CAU GST caught
GST caught
a lot of fish.
of fish.
My favorite
My favorite
fish
fish
is
is
chapile
chapile.
sapile CHA sa PIF সাফি এলেলা কি হয়েছে সাফিলে ফেভারিট FFA BOU বা ফেভা RIT রিট ফেভারিট মাই ফেভারিট ফিশ ইজ
My favorite fish is
সাফিলে
chapile.
ইটস
It's
a thin 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 TH tho IN in thin 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 white fish WHIT white white fish 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 white fish it's delicious DELI Delhi CI delici OUS delicious it's delicious we helped HELP help ED থাকলে কি হবে do we helped our grandmother we helped our grandmother make the fish every night we also made rice and vegetables